um, YouTube. We are here. Facebook, Kick. Oh wait. Mm, there we go.
Damn,
What's up?
lovely. Yeah,
Oh, you pass,
nothing much.
pass something.
No, no, I took I had a two lucid actually funded by the way.
Oh, okay,
No, yeah.
good shit,
I'm
good
doing
shit.
one by one, like one pass, and then I break it down.
Yeah, I think that's the way for now, until you like
Uh,
have like enough, in the sense that like you don't have no issues, you know, yeah, like monetary wise,
yeah, dude.
like if you're not tight for finance and stuff like that,
Yeah, I
then by
just
all means,
requested a payout on Alpha,
oh
so
nice,
it should hit tomorrow, tonight.
yeah,
Alpha.
alpha do good with the payouts, yeah,
Oh yeah, yeah.
yeah,
They did.
alpha pays out very fast.
Yeah, I'm using Wise, and from Wise to my bank account is like in seconds.
Yeah, I think the last time when I did thing with them, I use Rise. I can't use Wise, so it's
Right.
Rise.
Yeah,
Rise I
yeah.
gotta
Rise is
use.
good too.
Yeah,
Yeah, Rise as well.
yeah, Rise is not bad. Okay, morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope this stream goes well today, yeah? Hope we stay connected here today. Hope the music is good here as well today, huh? Yeah, we're live in the Discord here as well. Okay, let's do some analysis here. So, what we're looking at here today is, right, this is our current daily high. So, sales will be a bit of so a little skeptical here for sales, right? Sales will probably be beneath this zone here, if anything. Like we have a next zone here, but yeah, I'm not really interested in taking much sales right now. We need to see some sort of confirmation to the downside, and then we may enter sales here for NQ. As for now, I'm looking at possible buys above the current highs or these highs here for NQ. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here for NQ for buys. We also could take buys here. This is previous daily high, right? So be mindful of that. That's a lot of movement, by the way. So with couple of the news that came out recently there, I think we should be okay for continuation here. But these are the levels I'm looking at here for sales. Yeah. So for sales, it won't be an immediate break of the low, but it will be this level here, because this was the last resistance it broke, right? So now below this zone, we have clean range come down, right? Until this one here, right? So at least we could take a one-to-one here. Let's see this range here. All right, so this range here is 40 points. So almost 1 to 2. All right, so that's the idea behind that. So yeah. So 25 point stop, yeah. 50 point TP. Keep it simple. Keep it simple, boys. Buys above here because I'm not, we have a little something to the left here. So I just want to be mindful of that to the left, yeah? Because we rejected this area here already. So if we break this zone, we could continue to the upside. Again, one to one at this level here. Good. One to one stops to break even or TP, whatever I want to do. But this range here is a big range. This is a big range here. This current range is 100 points. Massive range here. So, SA, thanks for the share, man. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it, man. Thanks for sharing up the live. We got like 15 minutes left until 14 minutes left until the market opens. Tap in, people. Tap in. Share up the live. Let people see the good stuff. Well, hopefully it's good today. Nick, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Yeah, so that this is what we're looking at here for NQ. Let's head on over to YM. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I'm using no using minis today. No micros today. No micros today. All right. Um okay, for sales, we could take sales for YM at these levels here. All right, that's what I'm looking at here. Could take sales here. Um yeah, we have a nice range below here. Come down. Yeah, this is lovely come down here, possibly. For buys, however, I'll be okay taking buys here. You see this level here, this level back here is very, like there is so many wicks to the back there. So that's why price probably reacted here like that. So maybe the best thing at this point here for buys could be above these highs to continue up, right? Or here, again, let's see the closure here for the 15. It will determine that. Yeah. Closure on the 15 will determine if we take in buys on the current candle high. Right? So yeah, let's be mindful of that. Mm, mm, mm. So we're looking at 25 points, 30 points. Huge zones this morning, guys. Huge zones. And again, if we don't get good reactions, I may just call it a no trade day because we had all these aggressive movements like like 45 minutes ago, right? 30 minutes ago, 45 minutes ago. So the chances of price reacting like aggressively in the beginning or actually moving in the beginning might be very, very low. So might get a lot of fake outs here in the beginning, but yeah, I don't know. Let's just look at price action. It all depends on what price action does, and we will move accordingly. Let's see what price does. Yeah. Less 500, right? Yeah. I'll be taking like one trade here today. Thanks for the likes. Appreciate it very much. Pineapples. Thank you. Thank you. Mm-mm-mm.
All right.
Yeah. How are you looking here?
Yeah, my levels are on NQ is 355
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
sell,
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
but I'm not gonna take it on aggressive sells. I am,
Yeah. Yeah. I think aggressive selling here on either one is
yeah,
would be a bit too risky.
yeah.
Would be a bit too
And then
risky.
buys for sure. 420 or if not
Mm-hmm.
490
Mm.
for
490.
EDF. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
If
Yeah,
not, if I miss it, like I don't know.
yeah, I have mine at 444, possibly.
And then
I like the buys at 420, but you gotta react like really good. Gotta give a good reaction.
you gotta be fast.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um, on YM, sorry. On YM 594, 59, no,
It's
590.
590.
Good move.
Well,
That
I
looks
mean,
good.
that's gotta move. That's
Yeah,
gotta move. That's why I have the level lower.
yeah.
I have 538, 537.
Oh, based on a 1 minute.
No, it's based on the previous structure to the left on the 5 minute.
Mm,
Yeah. And then after that we have clean traffic go down all the way to 450. So that's how I'm looking at it. That's the approach I'm taking here.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
And then buys are 700 on YM.
700. Yeah. Yeah, YM for the buys here look good. Again, prices in a huge range though. Prices in a huge range here for both assets, yeah.
Yeah. On a market open, if it goes down, I will wait for it to flip and then I'll enter.
Yeah, that's the yeah. So in this case here,
But if it goes down, I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna wait.
In YM's case here, right? So if it goes down here and flips, you take it on the break of these highs right here at
Mm-hmm.
624 possibly to continue up. That would be really good move here. Let's see what we're looking like here on NAS. Okay, so we're
I wouldn't
above
be surprised in YM we go all the way down to 400,
YM reject
490,
YM rejected the
and
pivot
then reject
point.
from there and then go up.
YM rejected the pivot point, yeah. Mm-hmm. So
Yeah.
he moved from one to the next one and injecting one now. So it could the cells could come in. The cells could come in. It's at a pivot point there now. So yeah. I mean I can't take I'm doing this competition account. I can't take YM buy trades. Couldn't take NQ because you're only limited to like one mini. So I could only take NQ trades. So I'm gonna execute on NQ here on it if I see anything here on NQ. Mm. Yeah, we got 5 minutes left, boys.
Yeah. Let's see if I get a W.
Yep. Where the YouTube chat at?
Sleeping.
YouTube chat. Where you guys at? Bobby and the
Because
boys.
I feel like there's this move is good, but I think we're gonna go down,
I think we could
grab
cor
more orders here, now the down, and then go up.
yeah, I think we could grab more orders, but I don't see I don't see why the move wouldn't be corrected and then maybe later on it continue.
I agree.
Hmm. I think later on it continues. I think we probably might just consolidate for the next 30 minutes as well. Yo, Bobby, what's up, bro?
Yeah, like one of the days.
Yeah. Hope you had a great
What's
weekend,
good, man?
man. Oh, you got on late, huh? Nah, you're not late, man. 5 minutes before the open. You're not late, man. You're not late. Early enough. I won't be on here too long, guys. As soon as I got my trade, won't be staying too long after that. Got some things to do today. Gonna go link up with the boys and have a little chill. We're moving early. Man, by the way, Asia was nice last night, yo.
Yeah,
Asia was,
ourselves.
yeah, yeah. So I'm like, wow, okay. It was really good. It was really good, really good. And
Yeah.
you use 25 point stop on Asia as well, right?
Yes.
Right, 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 right. Yeah, I use the same too. Okay, guys.
Mm.
We just broke
Nice
our
volume.
yeah, we just broke our level here on YM. 15 might close bullish here. Now, if it close bullish, then okay, we create support to continue to push to the upside, right? But based on the like, if it breaks the low, YM has been moving so aggressive lately on the open. I'm gonna wait a little bit and kind of see what it's doing before like about 5 seconds, 10 seconds, like wait, just give it a chance because I don't want to be impulsively getting in and I get screwed over really hard. So I'm gonna be a bit patient here today. Yo guys, thanks for joining in the stream. Feel free to like the stream at any time. Thank you again. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. Okay, okay, okay. So why I'm here is forcing us to take buys at 700. At this point, yeah, because we have a level right here. Probably take buys at 674, but I'm not liking that.
This close is good.
Yeah. So the closer it gets to this 700 level, this is really good. This is a really good closure. The 30, look at the 30. If it closes up here, the 30 will close as a doji, which would be, again, break out the high, continuation to move to the upside. Yeah. So, yeah. Patience is key. Yeah, Bobby. Patience is key. Patience is key. Notice NQ is not reacting like how YM is reacting. Yeah, YM is being aggressive. We got 1 minute left, boys. 1 minute left.
I'm interested in YM. I'm not
Mm-hmm.
interested in NQ right now. I want
Mm-hmm.
NQ to do the thing that I wanted, but if it doesn't do it, then it goes.
Yeah. So possible wick down and then break this highs here at 390 for NQ. Possible.
But I wanna. I will.
I'll need a bottom wick here from NQ if I'm to. Then again, I'm not gonna take anything right now. I'm gonna wait for YM. I'm gonna be waiting. All right, boys. 15 seconds left.
Let's go.
Good luck. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. Wow. Okay, there's that wick down. There's that wick down, even on NQ. There's that wick down. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this flip here would be okay. Continue breaking these lows. Could get in on NQ here. Yeah, I'm in on NQ. I'm in on NQ sales here. Our move stops to break even if we hit 1 to 1 here. Hmm. Okay. Lost NQ here. Yeah. I think that's
I
it
think
for.
YM is gonna push.
I think that's it for me. Yeah, I can take YM here. I think that's it for me, boys. Think that's it for me. YM break those highs there. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, this was I wait for the second break here on NQ. Didn't play out. So yeah, I'm not gonna partake in that there again. Anything here is the buys for NQ. Anything here again is the buys. Yeah. Price gonna give
Yeah,
that.
why? I just something.
Yeah. Price gonna give that sort of delay. That's why I took the NQ right away, right? Like when he gave the second break, I'm like, okay, cool, it's moving. But yeah. It came, made a steeper wick, came back and broke its own low. That was my confirmation there. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Once I follow my rules, I'm good with that. Why I'm breaking those highs there again? But yeah, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. That aggressive rejection there. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Yeah, NQ is still, yeah, NQ still wants to play out here to the downside.
Think he's dropping.
Mm-hmm. So let's see here. Let's see how I get on with NQ here.
Here you go. I think that's gonna be a push for YM.
Mm,
I mean, by the YM, by the way.
yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Why is too aggressive there for me? It's too aggressive there for me. So, okay, there is the second zone here about to break. Let's see what we get here. Yeah, that YM, I don't like YM at all there. I don't like YM at all there.
Well,
Mm-hmm.
top.
Yeah, YM just too aggressive there. Mm.
Alright, cool. Okay.
Yeah, so okay, so it broke those lows there, right? This is a good trade here on YM. This is actually a good trade on YM. I may lose my account here, guys, but this is a good trade on YM, so I'm gonna take it. I may lose my account here. That's it. I don't have any more draw long left. So yeah, let's see here. It is what it is. I may lose my account here. Let's see. Let's
Full
see.
transparency.
Yeah, full transparency. I mean, that's what it is, though. That's what it is. But this is a good setup. This here, like wake up, break the lows here. I actually should have been a little more aggressive here, but yeah, this is what it should be here. Entry should have been all the way up here, but it's a late entry. But There we go. Stops the break even. Yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I have stops at break even. I'm gonna see if I could catch this here. Let's see. Man, this shit is moving so fucking crazy though. Okay, so stops at let's put stops at 1 hour, should we? 400. Yeah, stop still at break even. Stop still at break even. Yeah. NQ didn't really play out here, didn't it? Yeah, he didn't play out here. Yeah, break even on YM. Break even on YM. Yeah. So could have secured 1 hour here, but yeah, it is what it is. NQ on the break of these lows here could be a play. Again, the account is like it's almost done, so let's do this, yeah? That's how this
We'll
shit
see.
that's how this shit be, guys. Stops the break even again. Let's
Gonna correct this whole thing.
Yeah, let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can milk this because this is my original zone. So let's see if we can get this move. Come on, don't stop me. Don't stop me. Come on. Come on. Give me that goddamn push. Give me that push.
Mhm. They're gonna break with a low, so I'm up like 1 hour.
Yeah, I'm up 1 hour too. I want to move my stops to 1 hour though. Let's see if it gives me that push. Mm, yeah, I'll be out at break even again. Fuck. Yeah. Anyways, that's it, boys. That's it for me here. That's it for me. That's it for me. That's it for me. Thanks for tapping in, boys. Thanks for coming in. Thanks for coming in. Um, yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, nothing else here, guys. Possible buys though on like a fake out move on either like NQ or YM. Either would be okay. But yeah, we went 1 to 1 here on both YM and NQ. So if you had lost the initial sales here on NQ or you took buys on YM, you should you had the chance to be break even today. I mean, I definitely had the chance to be break even today. Yo, Chapo, thanks for the share, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's it here. I may take one more trade, to be honest with you guys. Maybe off stream. Most likely off stream, but yeah. Like I said, the fake out for like buys is like to continue the trend here. This is possible. It's possible. We need a good confirmation here. We need a good confirmation. So yeah, we need a very good confirmation here. I don't think we're gonna get it in this candle, maybe the next candle. Because at the moment, even gold, man, gold is looking so crappy right now. Gold is awful right now, man. Yeah, NQ could give that fake out move back to the upside. Fake out setup. We need a bullish candle closure though, because we came into this level here. So yeah. So it's just a matter of waiting for that bullish closure, guys. What do you think, bro? Think you're gonna get that? Look at that. So we got the bullish closure here. on YM, right?
Yeah.
We got the bullish closure here. We broke the high. Now the thing is, would we continue up? Um, and I genuinely think we can, but again, I'm gonna have to switch to I don't think I could even take this trade on. Actually, I could just down this, yeah, lower this down to like two. Well, let's see, let's see,
I'm
let
gonna wait. I'm still
yeah,
waiting to close anything bullish as
yeah,
any pullback or anything good.
yep. This is a okay move here from what I see. So um, this is what? Ooh, this is 50 if I enter on this area here. Cause if okay, so you see NQ is starting to flip here, right? NQ is starting to flip here. If NQ closes bullish, it's a way better setup than YM, but it's a way better setup on NQ than YM. That flip there is very good because again, looking at it from the perspective of just basic support and resistance, yeah, we have this level here. So we have this whole area here, right? That price is lingering around. So you can even just isolate it from and let it be like just this. Just this here. This is your consolidation zone, right? So price just came back into that consolidation zone. So there's a high chance, remember we're in an uptrend. So the chances are that it could reject this and continue to push. So this is why I say this one is way better than YM. YM isn't really in any fresh consolidation zone. This is way back here, right? This is from the start of the day. So it's at the daily open actually, right? So right now, yeah, market is candle daily candle is currently at doji for the most part. So yeah, so this is why I say if NQ had flip here, we could get a better move, right? Again, it's still possible, but still possible. But we'll see. Anyways, boys, I don't think I'm gonna stay any longer. I'm back. Did you win the YM trade? No, I didn't win the YM trade. I got break even. I went break even on YM, break even on NQ, and I lost the first NQ trade. So I'm done for the day. I'm done here. I'm done. I'm done. So yeah, Bobby. I hope you secured something today. Yeah, hope you secured something today. We had multiple opportunities to secure one to one. We had multiple opportunities here to secure one to one. Yeah, this 15-minute closure here. This is good too. Ooh, wow. It's an aggressive move there.
Yeah,
Anyway,
because that's where all the buyers came in. So
yeah, yep, yep,
we have
yep,
to.
yeah. Look at that rejection. Okay, so YM is playing out here, but yeah, yeah. Enki wanna flip. Enki wanna flip here. That YM. So once it breaks its highs here at 700, it could possibly get in on some buys here again. I took no trade on my work. Okay, cool, Bobby. That's all good, man. That's all good. That's all good. Yeah, well, see you guys tomorrow, yeah? Take care. Have a nice day. Peace. Yo, bro, I'm out.
All right, man.
Yeah, yeah, we'll link up.
See you
Um,
tomorrow.
you.